Hello everybody, hi to all, good morning, and today I want to pick and to get this lock. This is no MTL800 new MT5 was manufactured in 21. So just I think how I got him, because here we can't see this element what keep, and here I need to open this to move a rotor, so I can to have enter in this place to open this ring, and to move this out. Oof, this is or I need to pick second side. This maybe I make this, not I try. I say why I not like this no to make what we make now. This lock I not use very many pickings. Was maybe 5 openings, 5, 6, not more. I have this lock 1 year, if not more, 1 year, I'm sure. And and I use one side every time of lock. Second part I don't want to use for wheel correct and wheel good. This good too, 6, 10 openings, this is nothing. But we try to pick this side new, what I not pick never. This side not pick never, one time not. So this is a nice focus, yes. And now like MT5 have 5 pins 2-in-1, 5 sliders, standard with 4 gates. 4 gates in this lock very keep very strong, and this lock have more 4 gates from MT5. In the pin, I say about pin, not sliders. Now alpha pin 2-in-1, not standard, not like always in MT5. This completion, or how to say this, this is alpha pin 1-in-1, this is 2-in-1. This is what different between these locks and 4 gates more. And you see, sorry, this is this new lock, and now have this problem with this make alpha spring 17%, 70, not 17, 70. Okay. No, always this have, you see, MT5, this is one problem of this lock. Very quickly start to 1 year of work of this new not work. And but this is good lock. This is not easy to open him. No, if you not have practice to open this lock without key, not so easy how can to think. Maybe after videos, and when this lock open for 3 minutes in YouTube, this is not real life. Different in lab and in a real situation. This is so different. Okay, I know every lockpicker know about this. So 0 tension, 1 2 1 2, third little tension, and my zipping. Yes, I can't to pick locks without zipping. This is a thin tool for alpha spring. Here I not use this tool because I take something more basic for not will questions from alpha pin. Maybe little little strong I make this, but strong how to say? Okay, how to say this I don't know. First task, second, third, 4, 5 knot, first, second, third, 4, 5, 4. We have dimp, but I think we not pick alpha spring. Okay, not now. Where is it? Little tool for little pins, 4 and 5. Okay, and once again alpha. And now I have little problem with slider tool. I need to make new because this is this still not good when you pick very many times. So this start to I need to make new. Asking very 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 hard asking. First, second, good, was on the place. Four, maybe more from, maybe not. I understand now. Okay. And all this is, all this is not this, not this, I think 4. 5, 4. Okay, more good, 2 back. Okay, first, second knot, 4, 5. No, I think this is first. Maybe not. Second ask. But second ask, this is strange. Okay. Five, not believe. If this will 5, first very, no. I close very hard with tension. And I think about alpha pin 2. from start position, I remember I say I feel this is in plus. Nice, this is open. Big problem, this is sliders in MT5, no, MTL800. Okay, where is my tool for finish? Second, third, 4, 5. Nice. Oof. This is MTL800. Different locks. No, different locks, but I need to make this too. Not good. Not good. Okay. Not was long picking. With talking, everything. This is not. And I'm sorry. I need to put tools on the place first. After this, all no. All gutting process. And
now I have on my desk
hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and now this what we picked now, and for me was very interesting what kind of driver pin have this lock, and I want to show this wheel interesting. I know this wheel interesting moment. This alpha pin, driver of alpha pin. You see how this look? So this is alpha pin of MTL800. Okay, nice. This have this is spool with oops. No, just not this. Come on, no, not run from me. Thank you. So this is spool and with everything what make not friendly this pin 2. But I can to say this is not make big problem. I not feel this really. So, but and first alpha pin 2-in-1, and no, everything 2-in-1, sliders, one slider. I want to show something from here, what was difficult. First, when this number 5, this was difficult to, oh, this is 0, sorry, this is 0. Yes, this is 0 position. No, yes, this is number 3. So, no, I'm sorry. Everything good. Number 3. This and just a moment. Nice. This is 5. Yes, everything right. This 5. This is 0. This is 2. This is 4, and this is 2 once again. This 5, 2, 0, 4, 2. No high of sliders. Now pins do diametral everything, and driver pins we have standard. Now this is this lock, this is his rotor. Okay, so if now I got on this desk what I got, I want to show master lock. No, sorry, not master lock. MT5, just master. And I was in site. I make mistake with name of site. LPU belts or UPL belts, something like this name. I make mistake in name of this site, but this site say about levels of belts and locks, and this is very interesting classification, but I can't to say I am agree with everything what I look in this site about not MT5, about very many locks, very many, and about MT5 too. So, but okay, I look and I think, okay, this is master system. Master system have 2 through gates here, 2 through gates here, 1 big double through gates here. Enter pincet. This is pincet. I don't know. I think in English language this is pincet. So I can to enter pincet. This is not for balance of MT5. Not different this or this thin and this thin, very thin. This is like blade here, position of pins. When so here we have 4, not 5, 4 pins. This was this lock made before 40 years. So 4 sliders in this rotor, him rotor. I pick him 3 moving of 2. Boom, 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 and this open. Really. I don't know when, maybe it was, I don't know what was, but what we see here, this slider position 0, we not need to move him. This slider, big fall gates, double fall, big through gates, double through gates, pins, first normal, 4 normal, second and third. This is not 2-in-1, 1-in-1. 1-in-1, and this forma special for like no, with 2-in-1, but this is not 2-in-1, this is 1-in-1. You can't understand this if you look on driver pins, because this is 1-in-1, not with spring like here and here. This is master, and the master, this is not this lock. This is different locks. Okay, but I look in this LPU belts. Oh, I mistake about name. I change. No, I look and I write maybe in no, in video. I write about this because I say once again, EVA APS slider system. How can to be so little wrong? Very little. If somebody not use this lock, I wish to use, and maybe will another another thinking about what kind of belt. For me, this is not very important what kind of belt have this lock or this lock, but I enter in this site for a look what good, what not good, and I see moment what I am not agree. Yes, sorry who's make this site. I not try here to say something bad, or I say what I see, what I understand, what I pick, and what I understand after picking and after all. And this is not one. Not I have third desk with MT5 standard now, and record of his gutting and picking. So I don't know. This was big ask for me, so I make all this free video. Okay, thank you for watching. I out video about MT5 plus with what I say now, two. Not now, after 1-2 days, no. You know how work YouTube. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day today, everybody. Bye-bye.